Hi guys, welcome to Divine Readings 8 and I am your divine messenger Juhi, and today we'll be checking out some messages for the new moon in August for you. So the new moon is on 19th of August 2020 and let's see what messages are we getting for you. Okay? Let's see what messages are we getting. I don't know, suddenly I'm feeling like I should fan the cards instead of just shuffling them. So let's fan the cards. We'll check 5 cards that the new moon wants to send. 5 messages. 1. Okay, 2. 3. Let's see what messages are we having for the new moon. Messages for the new moon. Okay. Every time I try to pick up 5, I always get the 6th one, but no. Today we'll be picking out only 5 cards. Okay guys, let's see what 5 cards are we getting. Are you ready? Let's move with the first card. Again, the energy is gaining momentum. Okay. The next card is, what do you need to release? A win-win outcome is forecast. A time for healing. And you are good enough. Amazing. I really like the energy that I'm getting from these cards because I can myself relate to them. These cards are beautiful. Firstly, this is one of my favorite decks, that is Moonology deck. And so let's begin with the reading that we have for the month of new moon in August. Okay, so the first card that we picked, we recently got this for the career reading as well. The energy is gaining momentum. Now what does this mean? The energy is gaining momentum says that you have been working hard now, but if you want to fulfill your desires, if you want to fulfill your dreams, you need to start pulling up your socks and start working harder. Okay, things that you have been thinking about, it's time to execute them. Correct? So the energy is gaining momentum and you need to start working a little bit more than what you have been doing. Okay, the next card that we got was, what do you need to release? Isn't it a beautiful card? I mean, whenever I see this card, I just feel like going somewhere on a trip, and it's beautiful, right? So if you have something in your life that is causing you trouble and that is not serving its purpose for you, that something that is really negative for you, something that's making you sad these days, if you have anything like that, and if you want your life to be so beautiful like this picture that we have in this card, just look at this. If you want, you can also take a screenshot of this card. You can take a screenshot of this card and just think that you have a beautiful life like this. What do you need to release? I can see that this person needs some kind of healing, because I have been getting a lot of cards even for other clients that I've been doing and for my videos as well, that a lot of people need healing. What do you need to release? What is it that is giving so much of trouble for you? What is it? Is it your relationship? Is it your work? Is it just staying indoors? Is it because of the pandemic that is happening? What is it that is, troubling you so much? What is it that is giving you so much of negativity, so much of pain inside? You really need some healing. You need to release things. You need to forgive yourself. I can also sense that there are some people who have hold on to some grudges against someone, or even for themselves, that some people are really hurt. If you're watching this video, you can relate to me. I can see that someone who's watching this video is really hurt and has been let down by somebody who's very close, and that person is keeping grudges. That person is not able to forgive. So all I have to say is that release all the negativity that you've been holding on to since so long, and start healing yourself, start loving yourself. The first stair, the first way, the first gate to start loving yourself is the releasing part, right? If you want to release all the negativity, if you want to release anything that's not serving its purpose for you, you need to start loving yourself. That is the first mantra that you need to follow. Love yourself and forgive yourself. You can also say that I love myself, I forgive myself, and I accept myself. Look into the mirror every day and say this. You will love it. You are gonna love it. Okay? See, again, I've got another card which says that you are good enough. I see a lot of people watching this video need to love themselves. These people are somewhere affected by others around, or what, I don't know, they are lacking some kind of self-confidence and self-love. How do you get self-confidence? Because you're not able to love yourself properly, right? So remember this thing, that you are good enough and you're not less than anybody. You're the best version of yourself. You cannot be compared to anyone, right? So love yourself. Release, the new moon is always for releasing, new moon is always for healing. So release all the negativity that you have. Release everything that's not serving its purpose. Heal yourself by releasing. Forgive yourself. Because if you keep on holding on to these grudges, you won't be able to move ahead in life. You are good enough for yourself. You're good enough for this world. You don't need to prove yourself to anybody. You just need to love yourself. Love yourself. Every morning, I suggest you to wake up and just say this to yourself, that I love myself, I accept myself, and I forgive myself. A win-win outcome is forecast. If you get through all this, because there is nothing that can stop you. That's only you who is not able to release negativity. It's you who is not able to let go of things that are not serving you anymore. Correct? So you are good enough. Things are okay. Things will be okay soon. Okay, all you have to do is start practicing the releasing of negative emotions. Start working a little bit more harder and start healing yourself. Start loving yourself. You are good enough. You need to love yourself. Nobody else will love you till the time you love yourself, right? Once you start doing it, a win-win outcome is forecast for you. Things will be fine. So guys, new moon is the best time to release all that's negative, all that's not serving its purpose for you. Release it, heal yourself. Okay, you're good enough, you are amazing, you're an amazing person. I already like you. Why don't you love yourself? Love yourself before you love anybody else. And a win-win outcome is forecasted. So this new moon, please release all the negativity that you have in you. Please let things go off that are not serving its purpose. Okay, things are gonna get better and a good positive change is coming your way. Okay guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and of course if you like my videos and if you want to see more of my videos, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.